Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Run TCP Optimizer as administrator and make a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, export your current registry or save the program's backup file. This preserves MTU, RWIN, and other settings. You should also identify your connection type and current values displayed in the right pane. Now make your first actionable change. Pick the correct network adapter. Switch to simple or advanced mode and prepare to test conservative tweaks first. You now dive into the complex middle steps by switching to advanced mode and reviewing RWIN, MTU, and TCP window scaling. Enter real upload and download kbps so auto-optimize can calculate values or manually apply empirical formulas if you prefer control. Make measured adjustments to TCP timestamps, selective acknowledgements, and congestion control algorithm. Once applied, reboot to ensure the stack reloads. Then run a throughput test and ping to record latency and packet loss. To finish, verify improvements by comparing throughput, latency, and packet loss against your original baseline. Make sure gains are consistent across multiple tests. If performance worsens or instability appears, revert immediately using the backup or system restore and try smaller incremental changes. If connectivity acts oddly, run a network stack reset with netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset, then reboot. A single troubleshooting tip. Always test after each change so you can isolate which setting caused problems and restore safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.